Yo, what is good, guys? I'm gonna go and head out to eat right now. I don't know where I'm gonna go exactly, but I think I'm gonna go to Chick-fil-A and get some food because I'm hungry. I don't know what else to really talk about. Low key, it's gonna be a little ride just there and back, nothing crazy, but I have to just keep things more entertaining, you know, other than, you know, just riding. I have to just talk more. I want to do some modifications to this bike. I don't know if you guys, you know, would recommend getting a quick shifter. Just getting a little quick shifter for the Triumph, you know, nothing crazy. Look at the iguana, man. Wow. Yeah, getting a little quick shifter for the Triumph. That's the only modification I was really thinking about getting for this bike. Nothing crazy. It already has a very loud exhaust. Super loud exhaust, man. Like, the video does not do any justice of like how loud this exhaust really is. Like, it pops like, you know, like them BMW pops. Like, it just sounds like that. It sounds crazy. To go get some gas. Always have tank. Come on, you can go. You can go. There's no one there. Hey, come on. Hey, you can go. You can go. You're good. You're good. You're good. Man, this bike never gets old. If anyone was trying to get a bike, you know, a beginner bike, you know, I would recommend getting anything in the 300 to 400 range. You know, like, if you're gonna start with a 600, please be careful. You know, I have, you know, one of my friends who got in a pretty bad incident with a 600, and he ended up like kind of like flipping the bike. And I guess he was in like 3rd or 4th gear, and what happened was that he hit the power band of the bike. Probably hit like the 4,000 or like 8,000 range of the power band. And what happened was he like looped the bike, and it was bad. He was in fucking 4th gear, and it was just no good, man. So I would just recommend, you know, like a Ninja 300 or a CBR 300. I mean Ninja 400, MT-03, or even like a Supermoto. A little Supermoto would be nice. 400 Kawasaki Supermoto. I actually want to get a Supermoto 400. Looking nice. Can't even lie. Damn, a little GTR. Alright, we just finished eating our Chick-fil-A. It was pretty good, to be honest with you. I'm kind of full. I just got the regular Chick-fil-A Deluxe, no pickles. What else did I get? I got a medium fry. That's about it. Nothing crazy. Yeah, the sun's low-key beaming in my eyes right now, but I have this tinted visor, and it's working pretty well, but still, yeah, it's hot, man. It's not like literally hot. It's more like it's like how do I explain it to you guys? It's hot to the sense where like the sun itself is hot, but when you're in the shade, now you're chilling. It's not hot at all. It's like kind of breezy, you know. But just directly under the sun is where it's hot, you know. Or right there, next to the Supra. Park next to the Supra. Clickbait ass title. Fucking Super versus the bike. Can't lie with you guys. Super is nice. Yeah, man, this fucking alright, but we're good. Alright, I'm gonna go buy this gift card and we'll should be back. Made it back from the little Target shopping. Got a little gift card. That's about it. Now I'm about to head back home. Man, this Supra is nice though. Look at this, man. It's a nice little ride out. Not really interesting. I'm trying to go to a car meet so bad. I want to go to a car meet so bad, or a car meet, or either a bike meet, or something along those lines of me just, you know, doing. Oh my. The pops in first gear is actually insane. Pops in first gear is actually insane, man. I can't even lie. The acceleration on this bike is absolutely absurd. I would not recommend anyone to hop on a 600 or 1000 plus. You will kill yourself, alright? You will probably fall and you will give it too much throttle and you would probably fall off. So I wouldn't recommend anyone to get anything bigger than a 300 or a 400 while starting out. Because like nothing smaller. Do not get a little scooter, please. Not that scooter, but like, you know, like a little moped, like 40cc moped. Those things suck. You will literally die on that as well. Those are no fun, man. The only scooter I could approve of is a Grom. Groms are fun. They don't go really fast, but they're fun. And at least, you know. But other than that, do not get a 1000cc. Just get a 400cc, and that's it. Keep it for 2-3 years, and if you want, you can sell it. I mean, you'll probably lose a little bit of money on it, but who cares? It's your first bike. Damn, that thing's nice. Lose a little bit of money on it, and that's it. You know, buy a new one. Buy a 600. You know, just get comfortable with the bike. I didn't hop on a 1000 my first time. But every bike I ever hopped on was a 150 or 140. I think it was a 140 KXO. It was a Kawasaki. I think it was fun though. Man, I wish I never sold that bike, man. It was not street legal, but it was so much fun. I would go out in the back. Oh my god, people are jaywalking. Bro, this is a crosswalk. Or at least run, bro. You don't just walk. The acceleration on this bike is absolutely insane! What? Bruh, the acceleration is unheard of a 1000cc's. It's just dumb. It's ridiculous. Alright, well, we made it home. I'm not gonna leak my address, so, you know, later guys. It's been a good little video.